Hello and welcome to this week's MarketSmith Market View. In today's update, we'll look at the latest market trends, spotlight sectors showing relative strength, and examine a few stocks forming notable setups. The aim is to help you interpret what the market is signaling and navigate it with discipline. Let's get started. Since 18th July, Nifty 50 has been in an uptrend under pressure, a market condition where it is still technically in an uptrend but showing signs of weakness. The market status may shift to a downtrend if the distribution day count increases further or if the Nifty fails to hold above the 100 by 200 DMA. Nifty 50 recently broke out from a downward sloping trend line to touch 25,450 but has since faced profit booking, adding a distribution day and signaling institutional selling. On the downside, 25,000 remains a critical support, followed by 24,900. A breach here could accelerate declines toward 24,500. On the upside, 25,450 now acts as key resistance, and only a sustained close above this level could revive momentum and set the stage for a move toward 25,650, aligning with the index's previous all-time high. Not all sectors are moving in the same direction. Nifty Auto remains the clear leader, showing strength across all timeframes, while Nifty Metal also holds firm in an uptrend. Consumer sectors like FMCG and durables have turned favorable, and pharma stays stable above key averages. On the flip side, IT, realty, energy, and media remain weak, with deep drawdowns, while Nifty Bank is under pressure but supported near its 200 DMA. Leadership from auto, metals, and consumer-driven sectors is helping sustain the broader market subtrend. Here are a few stocks worth studying this week. Avantel Limited, the stock broke out of a cup with handle base on above-average volume, showing strong institutional interest. It is up about 3% from the pivot, with an EPS rank of 78, buyer demand rating of A, and a rising RS line, signaling a constructive breakout with solid demand and momentum. Ashapura Ltd, the stock has delivered a breakout from a cup pattern and advanced approximately 11% over the past 2 weeks. It holds a strong price strength rating of 94 and a buyer demand rating of A+, reflecting robust institutional interest. Technically, the stock is trading above all key moving averages, reinforcing its positive trend. UTI Asset Management Company, the stock is trading within a flat base pattern. With an EPS rank of 52, a buyer demand rating of B+, and a strengthening RS line, it presents an attractive setup for investors. Motilal Oswal Financial Services Ltd offers services including wealth management, broking, asset management, and investment banking, serving more than 55 lakh clients across 550 cities with an EPS rating of 73 and RS rating of 81. Trading 1% from the pivot, with a breakout potential. TD Power Systems Ltd is a leading manufacturer of AC generators and provider of turnkey solutions for power plants, serving global markets with a strong EPS rating of 94 and an RS rating of 84. It is trading near a pivot at 553 rupees with a breakout potential. So, how should investors think about the current market? You just have to follow these guidelines. 1. Keep exposure light until the market shows clearer strength. 2. Focus only on stocks with both strong fundamentals and constructive technical setups. 3rd, avoid chasing extended stocks. Instead, wait for proper entries backed by volume. Above all, patience is key. Let the market confirm before making new commitments. That's a wrap for this week's MarketSmith Market View. The goal isn't just to highlight opportunities, but to develop the habit of analyzing market behavior, sectors, and stock setups in a systematic way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next update. Information contained herein is not and should not be construed as an offer, solicitation, or recommendation to buy or sell securities. It is for educational purposes only. For more information, see our legal disclosure.